Hello Mzansi, welcome to Askhuluma with Proof. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click at the subscribe button and also smash the like button. Uya trend Commissioner Umaphoyisa walaphana aKwaZulu Natal eligama lakhe akunhlanhla wakamkhwanazi Kisana utrenda for all the good things Kisana because uGuy utrendiswa ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe uyanqomeka ava iclinic KZN uvela asuse lithimba uGuy akukhishwe bonke abantu labahlala la South Africa ngalokho ngekho emthethweni kubulawa abantu be-protection fee bafa ngazukuthi idinqangozi uthi futhi uma unesibhamu lesemthethweni sisebenzise kudivikela Kesana the only commissioner that matters right now in SA uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Everyone is talking about him bandaba uvala imlomo ngaye bayasho nje uthi cha Tandla tindlula ikhanda umsebenzi wakho uyanqomeka bathi vele uphathe wonke amaphoyisa ala South Africa uphathe njena leli lithuba lakho because akekho umuntu loshaya msebenzi lofana nawe Mkhwanazi athi ama foreigners nalesikana tsona they will fight umkhwanazi court ngokuthi abakhiphe emafletini abo bathi bantu zamani sidonkhomba because thine we're gonna be 100% right behind Mr. Mkhwanazi #indlondlo yamaphoyisa. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.